Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to explore the business model canvas of the aircraft engine and power system industry, a highly advanced and strategic sector in aerospace and energy. We will understand how major players like Rolls-Royce and General Electric create value through cutting edge engineering and long-term service models. Let's begin. Let's begin with customer segment. This industry serves multiple high value customers. First, commercial airlines, which operating both narrow bodies and wider bodies aircraft requiring efficient engines. Secondary, defense ministries, including Air Force and Naval Aviation sector, which missions critical needs. Third one, business aviation, which is the corporate jets and VIP travel operation. And finally, the power and energy sector, including marine and industrial application. So this is not just aviation, it is a multi-domain ecosystem. So what makes these companies stands out? The key value proposition is high performance, which delivering fuels efficiently, reliable, and technologically advanced engines. These systems are designed for durability, lower emission and optimization, life cycle performance, which is critical for both cost saving and sustainability. Then how these companies reach their customer primarily through direct sale teams dealing with airlines and governments. They also use work framework contracts, long-term agreements for large scale programs, and also digital portals which provide analytically and remote monitoring. And industries events like air shows and defense expos is also help us in showcasing their innovations, and also their channels also highly specialized and relationship driven component in their partners. Next, customer relationship is this industry or longer term and strategic play. Companies offers long term service agreements like total care programs from Rolls-Royce, ensuring engine reliability and uptime. They also provide dedicated support team which technically expert. Also, they do the collaborative development in another key aspects, which working closely with customer and designers. So, next generation system and digital monetization enables real-time engines. That helps tracking using advanced analytic techniques. This creates the deep integration between manufacturer and the customer. Next, coming to the revenue stream. Now, how do these companies generate revenues? First, through new engine sales, supplying original equipment for aircraft. Secondary, they are generating revenue aftermarket service, including maintenance, repair, and overall. This is commonly known as MRO. Third, the service contract, especially powered by the hours and models where customer play based on engine usage. And finally, defense and power system, which contributes additional revenue streams, intensely a major proportion of revenue from the long-term service. Also, their contract rather than the just engine sale. Now, coming to the key resource, which also known as the backbone of this industry, lies in this resource. The advanced R&D capability with high-end testing facility are essential. Technically, experts, high-skill engines, engineers, and the scientists who driven this innovation. A large installed base of engine ensures continuous service revenue and intellectual property, including patents and the property design, which provides the competitive advantages. Now, coming to the key activity of this Rolls-Royce revolves around engine excellence, design and development, which involves the complex engine certification processes, manufacturing, which required precise and global production system. Also, the aftermarket service, which ensures long-term engine performance and future innovation focus on sustainability. Also, the latest technology like digital twins and AI-driven engine technology are used in industry both capital intensive and the innovation driven. Now, coming to the key partners and the cost structure. Now, no company operates along in this ecosystem. This partner includes aircraft manufacturers like Airbus and Boeing, strategic suppliers who provides advanced materials and components. Research institutes contribute to the innovation, and the government agency supports certifications and defense programs. These partnerships are the critical for their success. Coming to the strategic model overview, finally, let's look at the cost structure and R&D investment in the one of the largest expense due to the continuous innovations. Manufacturing involves capital intensive facilities, testing, supply chain management is a complex and global, and the personal costs are high due to the specialized talents. Managing this cost effectiveness is a major challenge. To conclude, the Aero engine power system industry operates on the high investment, high return model driven by innovation and long-term customer relationship. Unlike typical business, success depends not just on selling product but on delivering performance over a decade. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more aerospace case studies and industry insights. Thank you.